When you first created your Snapchat, remember how you thought Bunny Ear 123 was funny? Have you ever wanted to change your Snapchat username? Well, you're in luck, because in today's video, I'll be telling you how to change your Snapchat username. Hey guys, what's up? It's Reese Tafser, the Snapchat Encyclopedia, and in today's video, I have something special planned. One of my buddies from Snapchat has showed me something, and I'd like to share it with you all. As we all know, Snapchat has never allowed you to change your username. Now, for your display name, that's different though. But those are two different things. Your Snapchat display name is the username in which people see after they add you on Snapchat, while your username is how someone searches you up, finds you, and adds you. Now that we know the difference between a Snapchat display name and username, it's time for the great news. Snapchat will now let you change your username with an upcoming update. Some people may already have this update, and to check if you already have it, make sure you go to your app store and search up Snapchat. Once you search up Snapchat, click into the app and look for any updates. If you see any updates, make sure you download the update, close the application, and open it back up. If your Snapchat does have this update, to change your username, what you'll want to do is go to settings and then click on your Snapchat username. In there is where you'll be able to find your username in which you can now change. But be careful, as Snapchat usernames can only be changed once a year, and after you change your username, no one else will be able to have your old one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, have fun and be safe changing your usernames, and I'll see you in the next video.